I want to start with an education workflow, whether that be for lecture capture or education streaming. Maybe it's a teacher in a classroom, but the students are at home now, maybe because of the pandemic, maybe it was always like that. The YoloBox is a really great device because that touchscreen is going to make it very easy to work with without the teacher being distracted from the lesson. You can easily pull in a presentation such as notes for the students to be able to see in full screen. And this is all done very simply with no extra laptop needed, although if you have one, I will show you how that is a bonus. And actually, if Adam, we could throw up the overhead shot of the YoloLiv YoloBox, you'll see that I have multiple cameras in my YoloBox right now. So if I'm a teacher at a school, maybe I have a camera pointed at me, and I'll pop that up really quick. So I have this camera pointed at me. I'm teaching, maybe I have my blackboard in the background. But let's say I also have, maybe I'm a science teacher, and I have a lab or a demonstration in front of me. Well, I can bring in another camera with HDMI. And again, these cameras are both being brought in at the top of my YoloBox to my 2 HDMI ports. And now I have this second camera ready to go for me to use. Say you're a teacher and you're streaming out to Zoom or Google Meets or Microsoft Teams. You want to bring that whole picture in from your YoloBox. Well, YoloBox does have a really great HDMI out. So we started in our diagram here. You have a teacher who has a USB either webcam or PTZ camera. That's going to depend entirely on your budget. We've selected the Panasonic UE4, but any USB webcam ranging from any price will be great with the YoloBox. You can hook that up to your YoloBox via USB, and at the same time, you can bring in an HDMI feed of your class's notes, so a PowerPoint or any online presentation that you might have, and you can mix that right on your YoloBox. Then you're going to feed the YoloBox feed from the HDMI out port into your laptop. And then from your laptop, you can import that into Zoom or Microsoft Teams or Google Meets. So these are just some ideas. Again, we wanted to lay out some multi-camera formats that you can use with YoloBox. They could very well require a little bit of tweaking. And that's more than okay. No two situations are the same. If you find that you need help, definitely give us a call at 1-800-323-2325.
Thank you for watching this highlight from the Video Guys Live webinar. If you like this video or you want to learn more, check out the full webinar in our description, or head on over to videoguys.com for more information.